So we're at Sema 2023, and we're so excited to take you with us.
Alright guys, we just left Sema and we're gonna check out the Sphere experience. Check that out. I'll show you guys how it looks inside right now.
Shapes and forms.
Granite teeth capped with snow and ice.
It stalked and scurried. Hungered and thirsted, it rested and ran. It loved, it yearned.
Alright guys, we're out here at the Strat. As you see the view.
Beautiful views.
And it's a rotating building. Look at that. You can see the sphere.
The strip.
And you can see Kyla right here.
It's lit. What's up, guys? We just got to Sema Fest. About to see Ludacris. Woo!
If you love Nirvana, put your hands up. I see y'all over there. What's up? I see y'all. Yeah. If y'all ready for Ludacris, everybody come on. Say Luda. Luda. Hey. Let's go! The incredible untouchable niggas spitting venom out his body with the dopest flow. Wonder why the lines around the corner cause the little motherfucker has the dopest show. One time for my independent women and all the single mothers who be y'all say fool, act up, act up. When I say act up, y'all say fool, act up, act up. Oh, you just came home doing a bid. What you gon' oh. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Oh, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Oh, bitch, get out the way.
When you have tire.
Look at that.
Like a good fire burn out and get the day started. Now this is my kind of race.
We got a Porsche. We got a stock crew.
When they said they wanted to go door to door, they mentioned.
Hey, we have a couple cars sizing up to jump in the middle. We have the crowd just pushing a barrel around up to the front here.
You gonna get loose? Oh,
Wait.
you lost it.
Oh, no. Every time that thing leaves the ground, absolute ball and sketch.
Yo, Mudshot's tinted.
There we go. 350C into the wall.
There's a fire coming from this guy over
Oh,
here.
that's great.
Hey, does he know that's, people are going to be jumping that way, Wally?
Do you want to see this man front flip a wheelchair? This will be the highlight of your Sema Fest. I know he's got it done. I know he's going to roll away smooth. The best in the business. The only man willing to jump big air on a wheelchair is on top of the ramp. You see him looking over the edge. He is about to conquer demons. Sema Fest. Can I get a little bit of noise? Scream for Aaron! Wheels bothering him! Here we go! He drops in. The snap. The twist. The land. Oh! Just a little off the side. Can I get some noise for the man that is Aaron? Wheels bothering him!
Guys, we're gonna try a hot Cheeto corn dog. Hot Cheeto Korean corn dog. So you just like some butter. One half.
Okay, so I'm trying the hot Cheeto Korean corn dog.
1 out of 10.
That's fire. Hey guys, so we just got this ceviche. 10 out of 10. Way better than the corn dog.
Alright guys, we're gonna see how good Kyla is at racing Formula 1.
Wait, why is there 3 of them?
Okay. Alright guys, we're about to go see Wiz Khalifa. Yay!
Swag inside, hey, my engine roaring, it's the big boy, you know what I pay for it, yeah. And I bout the pedal to the metal, got you niggas checking game, I'm balling out on every level. I hear them haters talk, but it's nothing you can tell them. Just made $1 million, got another million on my schedule. No love for them, nigga, breaking hearts. No keys, push to start, yeah. You know what it is, everything I do it big, yeah. I'm screaming that stuff. So you back and get down and get 11 10 calling my cell phone trying to catch a flight. I know we about to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, did the things different, see the bigger picture. Knows what it is, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place.
Hey guys, so we're about to try Joe's Pizza. Okay. Out. Alright, let's go in.
This is real New York style.
So hot.
New York style right here. Oh shit.
So that's tomato and feta and garlic. This is barbecue chicken. And this is supreme.
We got pepperoni coming right now in a few.
This is fire.
1
Try
out of
it.
10.
I would say a 9 because I like a little bit more sauce. But more marinara sauce will be good with that. But it's still fire.
Yeah, I think a 9.
Okay.
It's there. It's there.
Try yours.
Nine and a half.
That's what's up.
Bye, Vegas.
So I'm officially home from Sema, and it was an incredible experience. There's so many opportunities to grow and network your business. Even if you don't know a lot about cars, there's a lot of opportunities to learn, which I love. They had some pretty hype activities too, like drifting, Sema Fest. There's endless things to do and to check out. Sema Fest was a blast. We saw Wiz Khalifa, Ludacris. They had dudes flipping off wheelchairs. It was insane. It was awesome. So if you are thinking about going to Sema or you're not thinking about going to Sema, I highly recommend you go to Sema. I even kept my little souvenir.